Hello, and welcome to Daily English Podcast 2.0.
This podcast is specially made for people who want to learn English naturally, not by memorizing difficult grammar rules, but by listening to real stories and real conversations.
Here is a simple English learning trick for you. Listen first, understand the idea. Don't translate every word. Let your brain feel the English.
When you listen again and again, your listening, speaking, and confidence will improve automatically.
And today, we are going to learn English through a real and trending American story.
Today's topic is how artificial intelligence is changing everyday life in America.
In this episode, you will learn easy American English sentences, common daily use vocabulary, and how Americans talk about modern life and technology.
We will not use difficult words. We will explain everything in a simple, clear, and friendly way. So relax, use your headphones, and let's start learning English the smart way, through stories.
This is Daily English Podcast 2.0.
Let's begin.
Today, we are going to talk about a very popular and trending topic in America right now. This topic is artificial intelligence, also known as AI.
Artificial intelligence is not just a future idea anymore. It is already part of everyday life in the United States. Many Americans use AI every single day, sometimes without even realizing it.
Let me tell you a simple and clear story.
A normal morning in America. Imagine a young American woman named Emily. She lives in a small apartment in New York City. Every morning, Emily wakes up at 7 a.m. The first thing she hears is not a human voice. It is an AI voice assistant. Her smart speaker says, "Good morning, Emily. Today's weather is sunny. Your first meeting is at 9 a.m.
Emily smiles. She asks, "What should I wear today?" The AI answers, "It will be warm today. A light jacket is enough." This is AI in daily life.
AI in daily activities. While eating breakfast, Emily checks her phone. She opens social media apps like Instagram and TikTok. The videos she sees are chosen by AI. AI studies what she likes, what she watches, and how long she watches. Because of AI, her phone feels very personal.
Next, Emily opens a navigation app. AI tells her the fastest way to work. It checks traffic, accidents, and road conditions in real time. This saves her time every day.
AI in education. In America, AI is changing education very fast. Many students now use AI tools to learn English, math, science, and coding.
For example, a student named Jake is learning English. He uses an AI app that listens to his pronunciation. The app says, "Try again. Stress the second word."
Jake practices again and again. He is not afraid to make mistakes because AI does not judge him. Teachers in America also use AI. AI helps them check homework, create quizzes, and understand student progress. This gives teachers more time to teach, not just grade papers.
AI in healthcare. Another big change is in healthcare. In American hospitals, doctors use AI to analyze medical images. AI can detect problems faster than humans in some cases.
For example, AI can help find early signs of cancer. This can save lives. Patients also use AI chat tools to understand symptoms. They can ask questions anytime, day or night.
AI and jobs. Fear and hope. Many Americans feel confused and worried about AI. Some people are afraid. They ask, "Will AI take my job?" This is a real concern.
AI can do repetitive tasks very fast. Some office jobs, customer support jobs, and beta jobs are changing. But there's also hope. AI is creating new jobs. Jobs like AI trainers, AI designers, prompt writers, and tech support are growing.
In America, many people are now learning new skills to work with AI, not against it.
AI is also changing American homes. Smart homes use AI to control lights, temperature, and security. You can say, "Turn off the lights," and it happens.
Parents use AI tools to help children with homework. Older people use AI for reminders and safety. Life becomes easier and safer.
Problems and questions. Even with all these benefits, AI brings problems. Americans ask important questions. Is AI safe? Is our data private?
Can AI make wrong decisions? Who controls AI? These questions are discussed in schools, offices, and government meetings. The future of AI depends on how humans use it.
The future of America with AI. In America, AI is not just technology. It's a part of culture, work, and daily life.
People believe AI should help humans, not replace them. The goal is simple: learn faster, work smarter, live better.
AI is a tool. Humans are still in control.
Imagine waking up in a world where your coffee is brewed just the way you like it, your commute is smoother, and even your shopping choices seem to anticipate your needs. Welcome to America 2025, a world where artificial intelligence, or AI, is quietly transforming everyday life.
Scene description. Morning sunlight filters through a modern kitchen. A smart coffee machine starts brewing coffee automatically. A family of 3 gets ready for their day. Meet Sarah, a young professional living in Chicago. Like millions of Americans, her day starts with AI.
Sarah wakes up to her smart alarm, which is already adjusted to her sleep cycle. Her mirror displays the weather and news.
Sarah thinks aloud. Wow, my meeting got rescheduled again. Good thing my calendar app suggested a new plan.
Narrator: AI apps help Sarah manage her schedule, send reminders, and even suggest the best route to work, avoiding traffic.
Visuals of animated phone screens showing AI calendar suggestions, traffic updates, and smart home devices in action.
Now, let's follow Sarah on her commute.
Scene description. Sarah steps into a self-driving car. The AI system in the car adjusts speed, predicts traffic jams, and even plays her favorite podcast.
Sarah: I love how my car knows exactly what I need. It's like a personal assistant on wheels.
Narrator. From navigation to entertainment, AI makes commuting smarter and safer.
Visuals of streets with autonomous vehicles, smart traffic signals, AI-driven route suggestions. At work, AI continues to assist Sarah.
Scene description. Office environment. Sarah's team uses AI-powered software to analyze data, create reports, and predict market trends.
Sarah: thanks to AI, we finished this report in half the time. Imagine doing this manually. Narrator: AI is not replacing humans, it's enhancing productivity. It helps people focus on creative and strategic tasks.
Visuals of graphs and charts generated by AI. Employees collaborating and brainstorming ideas.
Even when Sarah goes shopping, AI plays a role.
Scene description. Sarah walks into a grocery store. AI-powered apps recommend products based on her preferences. She also orders items online that arrive the same day.
Sarah: I don't have to think twice about what to buy. AI seems to know what I want before I do.
Narrator. Streaming platforms also use AI to recommend shows, movies, and music tailored to each individual.
Visuals of online shopping apps, streaming interfaces suggesting personalized content. AI isn't just about convenience, it's saving lives too.
Scene description. Sarah's mother visits a clinic where AI tools help doctors analyze medical scans quickly and accurately.
AI detected early signs of an issue that might have been missed otherwise. Early detection saves lives.
Visuals of medical AI systems, digital health charts, and telemedicine calls.
From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, AI touches our lives, sometimes in ways we don't even notice. It helps us work smarter, travel safer, stay healthier, and enjoy life more.
Scene description. Sarah ends her day relaxing at home, reading a book recommended by her AI reading app.
Sarah: life feels a little easier, a little smarter, thanks to AI.
Artificial intelligence is not just a tool, it's becoming a companion, guiding America into a new era of everyday life.
The future is here, and AI is shaping how we live, work, and play. As technology continues to evolve, one thing is certain: everyday life in America will never be the same again.
Scene description. Night skyline of an American city, lights twinkling, smart devices glowing in homes.
This is not science fiction. This is today, powered by artificial intelligence.
So, this is how artificial intelligence is changing everyday life in America.
From morning alarms to hospitals, from schools to offices, AI is everywhere.
If you are learning English, AI can be your best friend. It can help you practice, improve, and grow.
Thank you for listening.
See you in the next episode.